Yeah, I remember the Lexus everybody said needed a transmission.
Transmission. It's not. It's successfully going in here. Transmission.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna go with the brakes. Oh my. Here's part 3. Y'all see that lock right there? Somebody completely forgot to put the lock on the CV axle whenever they worked on this suspension, because everything looks brand new. It popped out and it made it seem like the transmission was bad. Here we go, here we go. I feel engaging. We moving. We are moving. Oh my goodness. That's all it was. That's all it was. So I thought that's all it was till the light came back on. Alright, so everything was good. I was driving it, and then I just I did a hard turn one way to make sure the CV axle didn't slide back out or pop back out. And then I turned hard to the right and the light came on. I already scanned it, but it's showing that the vehicle speed sensor is putting out 0. That has a little nipple hanging out. This one doesn't, so this is wore out. Hopefully this is it. ¿Qué crees, Mario? ¿Se gastó o no se gastó? Once we found the worn speed sensor, I cleared the codes and verified the signal. But I wasn't just trying to get the Lexus moving. I still wanted it right. So we put in the alignment rack, checked the front end, went through the brakes, looked over the tires, and handled the radiator and coolant. At this point, this wasn't a bad transmission car anymore. It was a clean, low-mile Lexus ready to go back on the road. Now, this is what I wanted to see. Highway speeds, smooth, no drama. I paid around $1,500 for this Lexus. With auction fees, I was around $1,900 in. Then I put the vehicle speed sensor, radiator, coolant, front brakes, alignment, battery, and a detail into it. And what's crazy is this same car had already been listed before for almost $7,500 with the same miles. So after all the work, I probably could have asked for more, but I really wanted to take care of this individual, so this one ended up going to a young man trying to get around work and take care of his little girl. Hopefully this Lexus is one less thing he has to worry about, and he could do his thing.
Man, it's awesome. Immaculate.
Did you think it was gonna be like this?
No, I did not think it was gonna be this way.
Come on, let's go for a drive. I'm gonna bless you with this car, brother.
Yes.
I know you're a young man, and I want you to not worry about your car issues.
Thank
So
you,
you could come up and worry about other things instead of vehicles, man.
Thank you, man.
Or your vehicle.
Thank you.
So, if you're good, we good with 52?
Yes, sir.
You boys got big on my name.
Happy, man.
That's big enough.